welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a creamy garlic butter mashed potato. So my water is here, so I'm just gonna add my potatoes. So I'm using 3 medium-sized potatoes, so they're already peeled. I'm just gonna place them into the pot like that. Okay, so guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so, guys. What are you waiting for? Gonna really tell me what now with fun. All right, so this is perfect for, like, you know, a little side to your Sunday dinner, Thanksgiving, your Christmas dinner. So this is really quick and simple. All right, so guys, please give this video a thumbs up, guys. Please like the video, guys. So I'm just gonna cover this and allow it to boil. All right, and I'll be back to show you the finishing process. Okay guys, so now I'll be showing you what I'll be using in my mashed potato. So you can use any butter that you choose to use. So I'm gonna use, say, a little over half stick. So wanna get it in our pot, but you have to put your stove and low because you don't want your butter to be burned. All right, I will just make it slowly melt. I need a little bit more. So this is good. That's fine. And you make it slowly melt. All right. You don't want this to be burned, guys. Like that. Melt it. So I'll be using heavy cream. Guys, you can use your fresh milk if you don't have the heavy cream, but any heavy cream will do. This is the one that I'm using today. This is the heavy cream that I'm using. You can see this one. But as I said, you can use any heavy cream. I really love that one. So we make it melt. So what we'll be doing here, guys, we're just gonna basically scald it. All right. So this is nice and lovely. Perfect. Guys, all right, so that is good. So I have like 3 pegs of garlic that I'll be using in my butter, like that. If you don't have fresh garlic, guys, you can use your garlic powder, but it's like that. So remember, guys, your stove not supposed to be so high. Remember, you're gonna put this on low. Melt everything together. Comment down below, guys, and let me know what you will have your mashed potato with. All right. And people, if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and turn that red into gray. All right. It don't take not even 1 second to do so. Okay, people. All right. So this is that. So I'll be adding my heavy cream now. All right. Okay, guys, so I'll be adding my heavy cream, and that's 1 cup of heavy cream. So this is the point. If you don't have your heavy cream, this is where you had your fresh milk. All right. Then we're just going to give it a stir like that. And make this scald. We don't want to turn the heat up too high, so it boil over. We don't want that. Alright. Just like that up. Remember, we didn't put any salt in our potato, so at this point we're gonna add a little bit of salt. So you add your salt to taste. I'm just gonna have just a little bit, not a lot. That's good. And we're just going to leave this for like 3 minutes on the stove like that. And then we add it to our potato. I'm going to show you the process, okay? Guys, you should try this. This is so yummy. Okay, guys. So here I have my potato. So my stove is on low. All right. So I have my potato masher. I'm going to use that to just mash out the potatoes like that. You can use your fork to do so, or your whisk. All right. So I just want to get this all soft like that, and then we're gonna add our liquid to this. All right. So this do the job really fast, guys. Like that. All right. Now I'm gonna add my liquid. I'm not gonna add all at once. I'm gonna do it like that. Right, guys. Very nice. See, it's becoming very creamy. Yes. And we just do so. And then we're gonna have the rest like that, and then we do the same. Look at that. Oh, this smells so lovely. And guys, if you don't like garlic, you don't have to make a garlic mashed potato. You don't have to use the garlic. You can just do the same process, but not with the garlic. All right. Look at this. Guys, remember to comment down below and let me know what you have your mashed potato with. Your creamy mashed potato. Look at this. This is lovely. And then we're going to have the rest. Like that. Like that, guys. Very creamy. Nice. Thank you guys for always supporting me. I appreciate it, guys. On the way to 3,000K. Guys, help me get there, guys. We're on the road to 3K, guys. How beautiful this is. Like that. How creamy it is, guys. Very nice. So we still have a little left, and we're gonna add it. So this is everything. And we're gonna add it like that. Very creamy, guys. Beautiful. Nice and creamy. Lovely. Guys, I hope you learned something new today. Comment down below and let me know if you learned something new today. See, nice and creamy, guys. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Nice and creamy. So guys, that's the end of my creamy garlic mashed potato. I hope you learned something. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.